One dream team.
Yes.
See? Got the one dream team and as well. So, wow. Big up.
And thank you so much.
And look, if they're right next to my side, Manchester United.
Yeah, my Liverpool fan.
Gonna straight Arsenal.
Give him my camera.
So guys, I'm a big
See the Arsenal now.
Saver. Look at man, L.A. Lewis.
I develop life, you know.
Oh, see there? Yeah. Save! You know, 1 7-star general himself. See there?
Yeah, man.
The man said if the Prime Minister buy one of them shoes, he broke.
Can't buy one of them.
Can't buy one.
Original Raymond, $500.
Yeah.
Prime Minister now wear $500 glass. Solid gold.
The crown.
Look for it, man.
If you get a crown like this,
yeah, man.
Broke.
Solid gold. So we're rag them, not the fear.
See the rag, bossy.
Royalty, man, of the empire now. Yeah, man.
Royalty, man. Nothing but royalty.
Yeah, nothing but royalty.
So they...
No, you are going now. You have to do them thing because say if you make a 10 million or 20 million, you have to give back out at least 2 million or 1.8 million to the poor. And so that's why they must have show off and bossy and show off and bossy and making money. So cause see them here now. These are the Maroon government supplement. The last Maroon dark skin queen for England was Queen Charlotte. Google it and if I like me tell it, I get $1 million. I like to bet. I like to put my money where my mouth is and put my mouth where my money is. Because people understand money. I don't wear them dear clothes because I want to wear them. I wear them because people respect you when you have money. That's why I go on a flat money. People respect you when you have big car. So nobody believe me buy a yacht. I want a yacht. I don't want a yacht because if you notice, I really even got 2-bedroom yacht, I really even drive, I'm sail on it.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, dream team one team. Blessed love to all. Probably that year the wind is kind of windy today. A lot of rain yesterday, and now we got wind today, so cannot complain. We have to give thanks for all the blessings. Rain, storm, shower, sunshine, everything. Yeah, so to the journey now, we see the 7-star general L.A. Lewis, you know. Most of them hear the name on the face as well, so they probably hear about this L.A. Lewis, you know. So finally now we'll get to meet up with her, you know, so can get some, try to lead us towards Maroon, you know, because we want to get some history from the Maroons there, man, so you can get the direction to go to the Maroon town, you know, get some farmer contact where we can link up with Chief Curry as well and all of them. So we are many steps from here, you know, so today's journey, you know, we're on the road, we try to get these things done, so don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and remember check out Christmas list, you know, if you don't subscribe to Christmas list, please go and subscribe. If you don't subscribe to the Mwango, please go and subscribe, you know. So the link will be in the description, you know, as always, Christmas list and the Mwango, so check her out in the description, you know, the Mwango. She's on the road to 500,000, Chris is on the road to 200,000. See, when the I'm at a blow up, yeah man, so dream team one team, your only real team. My partner in crime. She is my partner in crime.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
You never know. So yeah, any crime we in.
surprise.
Yeah, any crime we in, she into. So we're doing a good crime. So we're here waiting for we're here to see L.A. Lewis, you know, the 7-star general. When him say 7, when him say 7. Remember you have 5-star general, but he's 7-star general. You know, the man say I'm richer than the Prime Minister. So we want everybody to see this richest man in Jamaica, because him say I'm richer than the Prime Minister. You know, so if this man richer than the Prime Minister, you must know. Him said if the Prime Minister buy him shoes, his Prime Minister broke. If the Prime Minister buy his car, the Prime Minister will be broke. So 7. Where? That car. The DC car, because she will say him rich, right? So you think one of them car there. See the man big vehicle over there, so then 7. The Mwango. So guys, remember to check out
The Mwango on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
I'm a solo female traveler from Kenya. Jamaica is my 40th country. So please check me out as well. The Mwango. And if you're watching from Team D, you know how you do it. Subscribe.
Yeah. So you know the link will always be in the description. Wow, 48. 48. Oh. So Jamaica that's a 40. Yeah. So Jamaica
40.
Yeah, so Jamaica say 40. 40. And she say 48. You see,
48.
but Jamaica say 40. Say 40.
40.
No, 3. Just say 40.
40.
Yeah.
40.
So she travel 40 country.
40
You see me?
country.
So she'll lead right now.
40th. I mean like 40,
Yeah.
then TH 40.
Yeah, but Jamaica we say 40. 40. Yeah, so she travel 40 country. So me and go travel 2. So I need my
You travel 2 countries,
yeah.
UK and the US.
Yeah. So I'm 38 behind. So guys, I'm 38 country behind, so I have to go and catch up. You know, so the next
So you've
one.
only been to UK, England and the US. Only 2.
UK, England, US. UK,
Oh,
US. And then Kenya.
Next.
Then Kenya next.
Okay, yeah, he's coming for my brother's party.
That's soon. No, we're gonna miss that party there. So we're going to Kenya next.
Oh, look at his hair. Hanging out.
Telling you, mother lion them point. Custom Bentley. Come up this way. Look, Maroon sovereign security. Yeah,
Can we show it a little bit?
of course.
Or when we come out with him, I can ask him how much does it cost to own.
Yeah, yeah, he's gonna tell you millions.
I'm never to make
Before she come out this morning, guaranteed, she take 2 selfies. She put one on the status and one in her phone. I like me, I tell you. What's your name? Give me your name. I say my name is Kino.
And my name is Priscilla.
Priscilla, but never want to go on camera.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth, look what him doing.
Look where you look nice on camera. Talk truth. Talk truth. Look. Talk the truth.
What is that about?
You're going worldwide.
Kino, you know my number?
Put my number. Put my number. No, sir. 793-3921.
Sign in there.
Yes,
Time
okay.
in.
At the time, what time is it? Give me the time. Give me the time. Give me the time. At 2.
56.
There you go.
You need to write your name as well.
No, I represent for both of you. You can check her out on YouTube by the same name D Monga.
But now because you have a bag, I won't see.
No, this is you follow her. She have, look, see it there.
Oh, the next one, the industrial.
See it there, yeah, the next one. So look how much selfie photo in that. Look here. For that 2 foot. Look on YouTube. You can make you subscribe to the channel. Them. Because you have to go see that interview. Yeah. Say hi, blessings to all. And then say big up Kino life in Jamaica. Go on.
No.
Yeah, say it now. And big up D Monga. Come.
No.
Do it for me.
Camera.
Do it for me. Do it for me. Do it for me. I mean, do it for me.
It's in for you. Yeah, you can.
Go on.
You're not going to put the camera.
Yes, so one time she the woman she take her selfie. And take her so long to say hello in her eye, you know.
Okay, hello. Hello and hi.
Okay. That's all you have to say. What's your name on IG?
Priscilla.
Priscilla. Just Priscilla alone. You don't see them. What kind of picture them are going to see?
This face.
This face.
The real face.
Real face. So this is L.A. Louis, secretary. Look, so that's...
Subscribe to both of our your channel. I don't know, I can put all, but I know.
Give me a real one. Alright. Oh, see him there? Hey, Owen!
Nice to meet you.
Oh, we have Owen, you know?
Yes.
The designer and everything. Wow. Look at yourself.
Wow, this is a surprise!
You get a surprise.
Yeah! It looks so good!
That
I
is
still
it.
have to show it somewhere else. Wow, that is it.
That is it.
Thank you so much, Owen. You're the best.
It-
Best. Thank you.
Hey.
Wow.
Also, there's also yours is in there and Chris's.
Okay, wow.
Christmas, please, not you. Ah, this is sweet.
This is bad.
Wow, that is it. D Mwango. Hey,
That
this
is it.
looks so good.
Oh, look at that.
Life in Jamaica. Wow, this is so sweet and kind of you.
Big up yourself, Owen. You know,
Big up.
really appreciate
Click
it. You know?
876.
Yes, yes.
This
Click.
is amazing.
876.
Yes.
You have
YouTube, Facebook.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, so to give him a
I wish
shout
you did
out.
a video coming to surprise me. This is a huge surprise. Let me give
I'm
you a
not
shout
really,
out.
I'm not really a vlogger type. That's.
Oh, that is it.
Yeah, it's not a blogger tab. It's just for your business, right?
I messaged you on Instagram this morning.
Oh,
Yes.
you know my Instagram. Let me show you how my Instagram looks like,
Oh,
so that you don't feel bad.
I know.
Look at
I
this.
understand. I
Look,
understand.
look,
I
look,
understand. I understand.
Look.
Whoa.
Going down. You
Whoa.
see? And forget
Your
about.
message.
I don't think I have 3.
Come here. Look. 39 minutes. Look.
Whoa.
Look
So
how
many
it,
persons.
look how it feels like.
Chris
Is he a
Moss,
superstar?
Liz,
Like it's too much even to handle sometimes. I'm so sorry.
Keyrings.
Let me check your number.
Not your average tourist.
Plus
And you got
876
876
849.
849.
and you got Kino Life in Jamaica. Wow. Kino Life in Jamaica.
Let me write Jamaica so I can.
Owen himself, I will give thanks. But you know, so he's the man that print the first Dream Team shirts as well too, yeah.
Nice.
The first one. Never left you out from them. From them time, I never leave him
That's
out.
my local Jamaican number. Then I'll send you a message on WhatsApp so we can start this business.
Of course.
So you know someone
But
can get like...
honestly, right now, look at me. It's like the greatest feeling right now meeting you, honestly. The greatest feeling. I want to meet your brother also. I know it's also.
Yeah,
But it's a very, very, very good feeling. If it wasn't for you guys, honestly speaking, I don't really watch movies much anymore because I find myself consumed with your whatever you guys have given us. You know what I'm saying?
Sweet. Yeah, thank you so much.
That is it.
So this is a gift,
Open
not
it,
one.
let me see
There are
some.
two.
Oh,
I have
two.
two t-shirts. That
same
is
thing,
it.
right?
Yes.
Same, like
The
you want
same
to
thing.
copy.
That is it. Thank you so much. This looks so good. That is it. Wow. Really high quality, you know?
Yeah.
Wow. I can't wait to have the other t-shirts, guys. Oh, you're the best. Thank you so much.
So
God
that's like a
bless.
different style. What do you call that one though?
There's a glitter.
The glitter.
Yeah.
So this is Owen Click 876. You know, check him out on our platform. Owen, you know, we thank him so much for the gift. So please go and check him out. Click 876. You know, we thank him so much. So he was the man that printed the first Dream Team T-shirt. You know, the first one, the blue one. Yeah, he was the man that done it. Owen, you know, Click 876. So you can go and check him out on his IG. You know. You want to do any business contact with him, want to get graphic design done, this is the man for the job. You know, Owen, Click 876. So Owen, spell it for them again.
CLIQ 876. Check it.
Check it
man.
out.
One click.
One click away. If you want graphic design get done, I will say that is it. So the smile cannot come off our face. Yeah.
Yeah, sun is beautiful.
Sun is bad, sun is bad.
Marwa, bro,
Shout out to you.
big up. You understand what I said? Because of you.
Now you have D.
You know what I said?
Yeah.
Man. Bro, I've been following you, bro. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Yeah, man.
Marwa.
Hey, and I hope that you invite Keena to your house opening. You know what I'm saying? I hope that Marwa invites Keena to his own house opening.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Alright. Definitely. We say we have to book the flight.
Yeah.
We have to book the flight.
Yes,
Big
yes.
party.
Big up, big
I
up.
put
big
my
up.
tent in my suitcase.
Yeah.
You know, bring the tent.
Yeah, man,
Let you laugh.
I earbed and everything.
Yeah,
Man,
but
this is
Marwa said, no, Kino, you don't have to bring no tent. We got the villa here for you.
Yeah.
We got D room can give you. Don't
can
worry.
sleep in there.
I'll take D room.
I want to see you in Kenya.
Yes,
Definitely.
Definitely.
Seriously.
If
That
you want
is
to see me in
it.
Kenya,
That is it.
that is it. So you that. So how much I know right now? So don't want to see me in Kenya. Yeah. How many of you so don't want to see me in Kenya? Let me know. In the comment section, let me know. How much of them you want to see me in Kenya?
So
Right?
many.
You want to see me in Kenya?
Definitely.
Alright, and Owen said want to see me in
Yeah,
Kenya.
definitely, bro.
I'm gonna see a couple of them in the comment section so they want to see me in Kenya. So let's make the move to the motherland, the motherland, the motherland. I am the father to the motherland.
These are the gifts Owen brought us. We really appreciate, and he already put his key on the.
One click.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
Wow. Kino life in Jamaica. Yay.
One dream team.
You
Yes.
see, we got the one dream team and it as well too. Whoa.
Bigger.
Brother, big up, big up, big up.
And
Every
thank
time,
you
every
so
time,
much.
every time.
And look, if they're right next to my side, Manchester United.
Yeah, my Liverpool fan.
Gonna straight Arsenal.
Give him my camera. Give him my camera.
Look,
So
look, look,
guys,
look,
I'm
look.
a big
See, she's an Arsenal now.
Ah, no. I'm a big Liverpool fan, sorry. And also Kino is a big Liverpool
In
fan.
your mind.
Liverpool.
Manchester United, right at my heart.
One Gunners. Great.
Boss, yeah, man. Save it. Save it. Save it rolling. Saver! Saver! Look at man, L.A. Lewis.
Yeah, I develop up life, you know.
Oh, see there?
Yeah.
Save me! You
Yeah,
know,
man.
it's Kid of Life in Jamaica. We here with 7-star general himself, L.A. Lewis. Big up on himself.
Emperor.
And we have D. Mwango. He's here all the way
Hey.
How you
from
doing?
Kenya.
Yeah, so pay for seat, yeah.
Hello.
So the emperor get a royal visit from Kenya.
Yeah.
So on paper, she have one of the biggest YouTube channel worldwide, not only in Kenya but worldwide. Cause you know the emperor don't deal with normal people. Yes, and
Yeah.
yeah. So big up yourself, David.
Thank you so much. So I'm honored to meet you today, and my name is D. Mwango. I'm a solo female traveler. I've been to 40 countries.
Saver! See there? All is well now. So we have a 7-star general there, you know, Kid of Life in Jamaica representing, you know, one 7-star general himself. See there?
Yeah, man.
The man said if the Prime Minister buy one of them shoes, him broke.
Can't buy one of them.
Can't buy one.
Original Rebel $500.
Yeah.
Prime Minister now wear $500 glass. Solid gold.
The
See
crown.
them?
If you
Look for it, man.
if you get a crown like this, him
Yeah, man.
broke.
Solid gold. So we rock them. Not a few
See them, see the rag, bossy.
Royalty, man, of the emperor, you know. Yeah, man.
Royalty, man. Nothing but royalty.
Yeah,
so,
not about royalty.
So there with L.A. Lewis, you know the thing
The
go.
Maroon Emperor.
Trenchtown Heights. Imagine
Yeah.
that. We're doing great work. See you, man. You see me?
Yeah.
And the great 7-star general listener, we say L.A., you know. And the great 7-star this himself.
Yeah. And it's step up from the 7-star alone now. We're now the Maroon Emperor for the Nyan Kepong Maroon Sovereign Global Government. So all of the offices them are worldwide. They're head by myself because I'm the emperor for all of them now. And I'm also the chief high priest of the Zion Ethiopian Coptic Church.
Okay.
Yeah, so but when we go upstairs up on the office, they will see more.
See more.
Yeah, so this is one of the Maroon office they got there now.
Yeah.
This is the Ashanti Town Central Branch because they call it Kingston, but Kingston is just abbreviation of over Port Royal. Port Royal is where the original Kingston is. So when they break, they lick the earth and broke it up, then they moved Kingston from over Port Royal and then named Ashanti Town because our government wasn't officially up yet, but our government is now up.
Yeah. Because you know, say, this a man a whole time watch him, listen, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, people will feel like say, yo, where you talk, you like me wonder, oh, you know so much thing. And I have to be
But nobody know all profit always come back from the humble homes, you know. You understand? So check it out. When Yahshua, when them take him out of the Bible and put Caesar in Nigeria, the Pope Alexander the Son, I would also say Jesus Christ, Yahweh, they come back from humble homes, you understand? So I just said so, and the Bible already said the new prophet shall come from the house of humble homes, and if you notice everything the prophesies come true.
Yes, sir.
You understand? And we are self-made millionaire. Nobody will turn in a millionaire. We turn ourselves a millionaire. You understand? And we keep on sharing back and give it to the poor and the needy. You understand? But throughout here, so it's kind of tropical. So
we are going inside, man. Because you say poor and him, the same thing me do, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, I do charity in Trenchtown, we build house through donation, we pay for them, donate and help out the less fortunate.
Yeah.
You understand? So, I know you probably never know heard about it.
Yeah.
You see me, so now I know so them man hear about it now. Keen Life in Jamaica, like charity
We shall have
the people.
Yeah,
you know?
because same thing I'm do to we're doing in Portland right now for alcohol. The same thing they want.
Yeah.
Understand? So and we have time to run up because say.
Yeah, man. Day.
Hey, we can go for
Day. Come there. Come with the 7.
Okay, give yourself a shout out as well.
Yeah, blessings to us. Give your Keen Life in Jamaica, you know the thing go.
Family.
Save me the phone I ring. Same time the phone live. Alright. That is it. That would have on the live.
No,
General himself.
Thank you, appreciate it. Nice to meet you all.
The top security them. You know, say it look like the African security with Africa. See you, man. Maroon security.
You come see me guys show you uniform.
Yeah, man. Alright, see it at 7.
And you buy one of that in broke.
Alright.
You buy one of that in broke.
Broke. If the Prime Minister buy one, they say broke. Yeah, no.
Right.
So,
Push them back. Push
me
them
can't buy no of that.
back.
When I go broke, man, if the Prime Minister do that, I'm going to go broke.
Okay. These are uniform to speaking Maroon. You understand?
Maroon in color.
Yeah. And these
Thing. See, I have the round table here. This is the night
this
table.
is the boardroom.
The boardroom.
You understand? She's one of the
Boardroom.
she's one of the
So beautiful.
she's one of the secretary.
Oh, the secretary. Hello, secretary. Hello, secretary.
Wow. Wow. The Maroon people are so beautiful. This is how they all look. Wow. The most beautiful community in the world. What do you guys think? Let me know.
Yeah, like Rainier said. So let's say we have free water, right? Water in there? So we're gonna refill the thing. Oh, snag the there. Snag puss. Just missing my while ago.
Looks like so beautiful and stylish. I love the flowers. It's very clean. We have the red
this is what you come sit
carpet.
and take a picture.
Yeah.
This is the
Come here, come sit down there.
Oh, this is the chair?
You can sit and take a picture where everybody can.
Oh.
So them say this is the king chair. So this is how you feel like a king.
Chair.
This is the emperor chair. You feel like an emperor, you know. Save him. No.
So beautiful.
Out there in it. Emperor chair himself. So now I feel like an emperor in heaven. Feel out the chair there.
Maybe we could put this
And
somewhere.
everybody come here is red carpet style. Everybody, no matter who it is.
Oh, it's recording. Alright, guys, there we go. On the big seats.
The big seat.
Yeah.
In here is very love them set up in here, you know. Very unique settings. You know, I'm not even joking, right?
Yeah, it's
How the seat feel?
wow.
Royal?
So good.
You
Definitely.
feel royal?
The red carpet, you see how the office looks like. It's so beautiful.
So it's red carpet style, you know, you're proper walking on the red carpet. You know it feels to walking on the red carpet, so that always make everybody feel welcome walking on the red carpet. 7 LL Lewis.
Alright guys, that is it for now. We're gonna be meeting him and we're gonna be having an interview. I know so many people who are not from Jamaica could be asking who are the Maroon people, so he's gonna be letting us know much more about them. So stay tuned and hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think about today's video.
Yeah.
7.
No, you are going now. You have to do them thing because say if you make a 10 million or 20 million, you have to give back out at least 2 million or 1.8 million to the poor. And so that's why they must have show off and bossy and show off and bossy and making money. So cause see them here now. These are the Maroon government supplement for hold on my lord man. My lord, just listen man. See it here now. Over 200 years nobody has ever put out Maroon supplement. We put out the Maroon 100% organic pills. We have pills what can heal snake bite. We have protein powder. So the protein powder for the people who got gym. Everything is 100% organic. You understand? We have people who have AIDS, so we heal people who have AIDS. We have people who have syphilis. Our thing them heal everything. So I'm making millions just of our medical products alone. You understand? Our herbal medical products. You understand? And then different from that, but like me pan voodoo, I'll give them $1 million Jamaican dollars same time. Pay them for test me. They can't test me. I'm the baddest thing. You understand? Because I'm the reincarnated now. I'm the Amon Ra. You understand? Remember now. For the first that history, remember Marcus Garvey came with it, you know. And them killed Marcus Garvey 5 days after Marcus Garvey came out with the Maroon Sovereign Native People Identification Card. Then Malcolm X came with it after. And we have 100% herbal pills them sell. Yes, and so we have a science lab in England. So big up our scientist, Dr. Merlin. Yes, and we have Snagapus and Bonnie and all our other scientists we have all over the world, herbal scientists. So listen me, my friend. I'm just going to teach you something that you will not learn in college or school. I'll take 40 years to learn all of this what I'm telling you in about a couple of minutes. So listen and learn, good my lad. Or if you go spend 40 years to learn, you might not live so long. By 2030, it's the new world agenda, the 2030 agenda. Them are locked down banks all over the world. They're locking down business place. They're locking down everything. You understand? Ethiopia throne is still empty, my lad. That's why we know as a God, well, Lord, my lad, and listen, man, you know, so you're not going to learn too much, my lad. Because every time you chat, you miss something where you don't know. Remember, you know, until now, none of them can sit on them father throne. Selassie even have him castle in England. You never know Selassie have him private castle in England. Now people don't know that. Until now, one of them can go to the father castle in England.
And they say going to exile.
Alright. So if you know said, we, the Maroon people, them aka Ashantis, aka the Nyanke Pongs, them Pikibo, we are the rightful evil one of England. England is a local island. You understand? 95% of the Caucasian, aka white people in England, all of them come from Germany. The last maroon dark-skinned queen for England was Queen Charlotte. Google it, and if I like me tell it, I get $1 million. I like to bet. I like to put my money where my mouth is, and put my mouth where my money is. Because people understand money. I don't wear them dear clothes because I want to wear them. I wear them because people respect you when you have money. That's why I go on a flat money. People respect you when you have big cars. So nobody believe me buy a yacht. Two more want a yacht. I don't want a yacht because if you notice, I really even got 2-bedroom yacht, I really even sail upon it. But I buy it for when people are going to go around the emperor. I'm sure I say, punk, you can go and borrow my yacht. You understand? I have Benz, and if I look down in the car where I'm driving a 55,000 US dollar 2018 what I call them Land Cruiser, and I have the custom made
Bentley.
And no, it's not a Bentley. It's a Chrysler 3,300. Also, it's very expensive because it's a custom. When you go in there, you can look at the steerings and the driver, go anywhere you want to go. Yes, and if you go crash, it can tell us said impact is coming up, everything. So when you do that, I can carry go show you it. So it's very expensive. That's a custom one. There's only about 5 of them in the world.
The one downstairs.
The one downstairs. Over 5 of them alone in the world. So it's very expensive. And I'm the only one in Jamaica who have one of that. I'm going to probably go one in the Caribbean because
you're the real deal.
Two is in Dubai. I think one is in America, and I think somebody in Canada. Don't it?
Yes.
So you're still colonized by bird paper, right? So you see it's a beautiful, pretty color, Kenya girl, yeah. And she have one of the biggest YouTube stations worldwide. Tell me where you're from in Kenya, my beauty.
So guys, I'm D Mwango. I'm from Kenya, and I travel the world. Now I'm here in Jamaica to learn much more, and that's why I am here.
And check the emperor.
Yes, and check the emperor.
Yeah,
yes.
man, cool. I got a couple neighbors from Kenya to where I live at too. So
yeah, man. And tell me your YouTube station.
D Mwango. That is DEE space MWANGO. D Mwango. We are very close to 500,000, so be sure to check it out as well.
Alright, yeah, and I'm the only one who have over 1 billion. You can go on my Google profile, I have over 1 billion people follow me.
Yes.
Worldwide. Yeah, son? So you're with the God. So people, I'm just saying, family. Yeah, man, get the sovereign documents, my lord. May I beg you please and thanks. Yeah, man, so it's worldwide. And it go up and down, sometimes it's
but in a nutshell, I just wanted you to summarize it up. We've talked about so many people. If somebody has a question, who are the Maroon people, D?
You say we?
Yes, you say we are the Maroon people.
Yes. Definitely. Everyone that you call a black man is a Maroon. Even the Caucasian are Maroon, but they're less melanated Maroon. The Chinese is Maroon. See here? So you said the original Chinaman now. The original Chinese people.
Wow. I I see.
You see?
We.
It's knowledge from you because they give you Western knowledge. They give you Roman Catholic knowledge. How much Roman Catholic schools you have in your country?
So many.
See it? So why you have Roman Catholic Pope of Rome schools in your country, and the Roman Catholics control all schools in your country, 99% of them. See it? So they are the one who teach you, but they will not teach you this. You see? Look how you say, cause you are part of the Mongolian tribe. You see your eyes?
Yeah, when I was in Nepal, they also have a Mongolian tribe, and I visited one of their village there.
And they look a bit favor you. Can you see your sex set pretty eye them?
Yeah.
So you are part of the Mongolian tribe. So you are the original Chinese. Yes, and then after a while, they bleach them out. So you see it, they're not the original Chinese, you know. They're still over there. So you must visit China and go up in the immolated mountains and in place there. Yes, and see there, the original Chinese, you see?
Yes.
Our color. And these are photos that take. These are not cartoons. These are original photos. So when you said who's the Maroon people, but they check you up and tell us said people come from up in a compound and those bullshit. A compound just built the other day. You are at the original Maroon capital. This is called a shanty town. It is not called Kingston. The original Kingston is in Port Royal. You want me to prove it?
Yeah, you can prove
Alright. So next time, not tell about you got Kingston. If you got Port Royal now, or you got PJ Key now, then you're going to Kingston. If you're going to Lime Key, you're going to Kingston. But once you pass Marcus Garvey Drive and come up, or you go to Clarendon, you're now in a shanty town, otherwise known as the Junker Mountain Maroon. So back and come out of that. Where is Kingston originated? Where is Kingston? Kingston. What the talk? When was Kingston found?
1692. According to Britannica, Kingston was founded in 1692 after Port Royal, at the mouth of the harbor, was destroyed by an
after who? No.
Port Royal.
Port Royal. Ask again. Learn it again. I said never tell about you come to Kingston again. You're coming to a shanty town. Them a rob, them a loot, them a shoot a shanty town. Tum 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 tum. Rude boy dep on patrol in a shanty town. Sevens down a Ocean 11. Where's Ocean 11? Ocean 11 where they call Queen Victoria Pier, and they put up Digicel place. They now call it downtown. You understand? So back out of that now and said, when was Kingston found?
1692. According to Britannica, Kingston was founded in 1692 after Port Royal, at the mouth of the harbor, was destroyed by an earthquake. The core of the old city is a consciously planned rectangle with streets in a grid pattern.
So you see it?
Everything is out there, but we don't know it.
You don't know it. You have to, and just to, because I don't want you to go and say, oh, Emperor got about say Ethiopia, me live. Every part upon your place the name Ethiopia, and every part over here, so from America, from Cuba, from Trinidad, the name Atlantis. Now go for the globe. This is not the real globe, so the real globe is flat. Yes, and they just check it with this round one. The real one is flat. Yes, and so you go the globe now, my queen. This is the north, what in name?
Atlantic.
Or Atlantis, cause C means pronounce C.
Atlantis.
Alright, but should they give you English language, say Atlantic, it's Atlantis, cause C means or C means S. Alright, so if Jamaica is in the Atlantis Ocean, America is in the Atlantis Ocean, that means that we're the what? Atlantis. So we're the Atlanteans. Yes, and when I go around now to Africa now, Ethiopia, it's more bigger than this now, but them chicken tell us this local. So you can walk from Ethiopia, or you can walk from Africa and go to Germany. You can walk from Africa and go to China, don't it?
Yeah.
You can take a train or
it's not there.
Alright, but they do not show you. You understand? A lot of people believe that China is separated from the map. How do I know that? Because I'm very knowledgeable. Now, you can walk from Ghana and go to Russia, don't it? I never know that. See it here now.
Ghana, it's in the world.
See the local road there will come across. You can walk from Ghana and go to Ukraine. You can walk from, but it's a long walk.
Yeah.
Yes, and you can walk from Ethiopia and go to China, don't it? and India.
But it's such a long walk.
It's such a long walk, but they do not let even the people in Ethiopia know that they can walk. They say Putin still loyal to us. Russia still loyal to us because Russia know that we are their creator. Queen Euro, who they named Europe after, was a beautiful goddess like yourself. Dark skin Maroon queen, but she's so full of voodoo, guzo, power. You understand? Alright. So, you have a pain right here, sir, right? You see the pain right here, sir? I have one here, so don't run. I'm looking at the crystal ball on there, that's why I can tell everywhere the pain is in your body. Your hand right here, sir, has been itching you long time. You feel that? And on your foot bottom toe, and the whole part here. So, you're cursed by ancestral curse, because I have to look in your face, but you're trying to free yourself. Right here, sir, again, and it's got to swell on there. You feel it? So, that's why more time you have to rub your head back. So, when it swell, you're going to have to find me, no matter where you're in the world. I take out pain out people's body. So I can just look in your eye and tell her everything that is happening to you. And I look in the crystal ball and I tell you everything. So how do I know? And it's if first I'm meeting, right? So it's your doctor alone that know about those pain, and I can tell you a whole lot more things about yourself off camera. Because although you're on the media, you're also very private people when it comes to your life. Wrong, am I right? Wrong, am I right?
But the pain on my feet, on my hand, no pain.
It's numb. See it right here, so. But all while they put and rub it, so you still doing the little rubbing thing. So it's got to get stronger and stronger and stronger, because while your artery is not moving good. You understand? So that's why you say here, so now, so it's got to come right down and right behind the foot back here, so I can tell you everywhere the pain is on your body. As ask anybody on my show, I charge big money to heal people. And I'm going to give you a little tip.
And that's why I came here, like, very rich.
We are rich in culture, rich in medicine, herbal medicine. We're rich in everything. We have gold over here, we have diamond over here. Haiti have the most gold more than Africa. Haiti have a thing we call now meteorite stone. That's why they're trying to keep Haiti poor. Haiti is one of the richest countries on the planet. When the meteor lick the earth and broke it up and fling pure dust over the Sahara. If you dig up the Sahara desert now, you find that there are cities underneath the Sahara. Cities. Still that they do that now, richer cities. But over here so it's also rich. 98% of what you call Jamaica is under the water, Atlantis. So alright, I'll teach you one more thing now before because I don't want to bore you with knowledge, because I know everybody mind can hold so much knowledge. Yes, and I'll drive you crazy. Yes, and so you say now, teacher now, so all the people in your countries, what is the official name for Africa?
Here is some information for what was Africa originally called. According to African folder, Alkebulan, an ancient name for Africa. One of the earliest recorded names associated with the African continent is Alkebulan. Derived from Arabic and various indigenous African languages, Alkebulan translates to the land of the blacks or the mother of mankind.
So you see it? So you are the mother of mankind, but over here says Atlantis, we are the father. So that's why the Bible, the scrolls, the Quran, all of the books and tell us said Ethiopia or Africa awaits its gods and its creator come save them. You understand? That's why Marcus Garvey was the closest one who came to save him, remember? But now the emperor come now and have billions of souls behind me. I walk with legions of duppy. So fuck around me, you gotta get hurt. I'm more powerful than Malcolm X, I'm more powerful than Marcus Garvey, but I came with laughter. Because it is easy to make somebody sad, but it is hard to make people smile. You see how easy I'm making a smile? Because I'm the God of love. You understand? So, and I'm also the madman. The Bible tells us, says only somebody that they call a madman will save the earth, or save the planet. And they try to come out and carry one in the bricks, but the Chinese them forget the lume, because we have the bang, and the Bible tells about the last
let me ask you about this. So have you where can you spend this money so far? I've never heard about it.
You can spend it in any country because it is lawful. You're gonna need to enforce it, but you people do not like to enforce your own things. You like to enforce.
You can spend this in the US. You can
anywhere in the world.
Buy this in Jamaica. You can buy anything here.
Anything you can buy, but as for the people to start to take it, but here when them gonna start to take it, you see how Anja Wall is carrying them come now, and the whole out they take plastic. Plastic is have no value. Now remember.
So what is it made of then?
That make up of we call it parchment paper, and it make up of 100% silver. So put 100% silver on it because silver is valuable.
100% silver on it.
Yeah, this is silver.
Yeah.
Yeah, silver.
Wow, thank you so much for the gift to give us one more.
Yeah, man. So they're called the Lume. We're carrying out the new one now named the Maroon money. So everyone in Ethiopia is a Maroon. Everyone on the planet is a Maroon. Maroon is the color of one's skin. You cannot prove me wrong. Sit here.
So how equivalent is it to the US dollar?
That's $17 for one. So
$17.
Yeah, so it's
one is 17.
Yeah, you have to have $17 to get one.
Wow.
And it's backed by solar energy. You can Google it now, Lumi. You understand? Give me any silver out here, any silver. I'm paying for this one now. This is the biggest one. See it here? This is the biggest one of all. Even you could give me a money to man, because you get too much knowledge free. I share a load of it here. Cameraman, give me a money. So when you're praising Jesus, you will not get no blessing. That's why our people is the suffering people. Who is the most suffering people on the planet?
We Africans.
We Maroon, dark-skinned Maroons, not African. You're not African, my girl. You're all cable. Give me the two of them, the man. Can you have to pay big? Yeah, give me the 2 euros. All right. Did you know the name of the first ship that they said worldwide to take away all the people from Kenya and carry them all over? All right. What is the name of the first slave ship ever?
According to Wikipedia, Jesus of Lubeck was a carrack built in the free city of Lubeck in the early 16th century.
What was the name of the first slave ship ever in history?
Jesus of Lubeck.
All right. Call upon Nayankepong. Nayankepong, we love you. We praise you every day. Nayankepong, my father, please bless me, I pray. Nayankepong, I praise you. Oh my Akan God, the God of all the Zulu, the God of all the Karamanti. Nayankepong, I praise you every night and day. Praise Nayankepong, and see how much blessing you get. Gaia. Do you know it's Gaia now?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.